This backpack has received lots of praise in numerous publications for its creativity, striking design, and overall appeal. What sets it apart, though, is that the folks at Paxos made the bottom section swivel. That's the secret to its super convenience. Picture easy access to your belongings with just a simple movement while you're out hiking. That's why it's sold for at least $200. Oh, and the swivel section is quite sturdy, capable of supporting up to 5.07 pounds. Plus, it has some usual features like a waist belt and a backrest that lets air through. And with a total capacity of 7.93 gallons, it's a very practical option. Whether you're in a two-story tent or a regular one, this carbon monoxide detector is essential. Weighing less than 3.5 ounces and fitting in your hand, that's why the creators kept it simple with the name CamG Mini. The sensors in this compact device are made in Japan and work within a 16.4 feet radius. If there's too much carbon monoxide, the CamG Mini sounds an alarm at 105 decibels, almost as loud as a hammer drill. Plus, it also displays temperature and humidity. One charge lasts for 48 hours. Get it for $65. Now that our tent is getting a lot of tech upgrades, it's time to add an air conditioner. Say goodbye to stuffiness and hello to coolness for $1,500. The Zero Breeze Mark I will drop the temperature by 17 degrees Celsius, 30.6 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. One charge lasts 8 hours, thanks to its innovative compressor the size of a soda can. This tech wonder operates quieter than many kettles at only 52 decibels. It's also lightweight at just 16.5 pounds, and the Mark II in the name isn't just for show. Compared to the previous version, it cools 40% more efficiently. You can enhance the ambience of your camping trip without a fire by using these tent pegs. Your campsite will literally light up with these 4 pegs, costing $21. Each peg requires one AAA battery. They even switch to strobe mode if you desire. With a decent battery, each peg can glow for up to 10 hours. Plus, the aluminum alloy casing and IPX6 water and dust protection ensure they'll keep working even in the rain. If you're tired of sitting by the fire with a guitar or admiring your tent, it's time to bring out the Nebula M3. It's the first projector made specifically for outdoor use. It's compact and weighs around 10 pounds, but it gives you a picture as big as a 200-inch screen and 40 watts of sound. Plus, it can run movie marathons for up to 5 hours. It supports YouTube, Netflix, and other platforms and allows you to screen mirror from your smartphone. And if that's not your thing, it has USB and HDMI ports. You can find it on sale for $929. I wonder what movie would be perfect for a camping night. The Blackkin 2 Pro provides hot water circulation inside these mattresses, powered by the propane or butane system nearby. One cylinder lasts for 12 hours, and the mattresses work efficiently even at -22 degrees Fahrenheit. Just imagine it. Cold air, gentle snowflakes, and you enjoying a movie on a mattress heated up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting up the Blackkin 2 Pro takes only 5 minutes. Plus, the water heating process generates energy to recharge devices like the projector. So, paying $539 is well worth it. Now that everything's set up for a dance marathon, a cozy movie night, and other fun activities, you can invite your friends. But now they need a place to crash? No problem. Just unfold the Giga tent, press a button, and it will inflate in just 3 minutes. Voila! You've got 51.7 square feet of space at your service, enough for 2 adults and 2 kids if needed. With the tent's built-in pump backed up by a 2000 mAh battery, you can repeat the inflating trick up to 30 times in a row. And to ensure your friends sleep comfortably, the creators also offer a mattress with a built-in pump. It inflates in just a minute and can support up to 661 pounds. Together, the tent and mattress cost $299. In 85% of instances when a brown bear attacks a person, they end up injured. So, besides having fun, it's crucial to protect your tent camp. That's where this product from a Canadian company comes in. It's an electric fence similar to what farmers use, but more compact and suitable for tents. The basic version costs $236 and can protect an area with a side of 20 feet from bears. The fence can be powered by either AA batteries or a rechargeable battery with a declared voltage of 10,000 volts. A tester is included for a quick check. Let's enhance mosquito protection for our camping trip, but not just any protection. This product raised over $160,000 from a single Kickstarter campaign, showcasing how fed up people are with being stung and itchy. It's called Evo Repel. It works within a radius of up to 30 feet and starts to show noticeable effects just 50 seconds after turning it on. Plus, Evo Repel has a sturdy 14,400 mAh battery, essentially serving as a power bank. Surprisingly, it's lightweight at only 16.4 ounces. Early buyers received a set of Evo Repel, a charging cable, and 10 repellent plates for $46. This couple is having a blast outdoors with Hitch Home. That green thing resembling a dumpster is actually an inflatable frame tent called Hitch Home. The clever part is how it hooks onto the hitch, freeing up the car roof for other stuff. Plus, it's easy to move around thanks to its handle and wheels. Weighing 77 pounds, it fits up to 3 people, but even with a 6-inch thick air mattress, the $1,590 price seems steep, and that's with a discount from Kickstarter.